Yung so-called minority na yan, House minority, these are the so-called House opposition. Pero hindi naman ho yan genuine na minority, hindi naman ho yan genuine na opposition. May mga pagkaano yan company union. Kunwari lang yan, mga opposition or minority. With due respect to them. May mga sariling ano na yan, agenda. And some of them were so passionate about vilifying me in the course of the House inquiry na talaga naman ang bilis nilang mga naniwala kaagad dun sa mga kasinungalingan, lalo na ng mga drug convicts. And they did not bother at all to really probe seriously into the apparent inconsistencies and self-contradictory points in the testimonies of some of them. Kasi ang gusto nila marinig, yung gusto nilang marinig. Yung gusto nilang marinig ay yung sinasabi palagi ng Pangulo na ako daw ay nasa sentro ng drug trade. So, yun ang gusto nilang marinig palagi, even by the so-called minority or opposition lawmakers. Yung mga tunay na opposition, yung grupo po nila for example, of Congressman Edsel Lagman. Yun ang tunay na opposition dyan. 8 lang ata sila. Sila Congressman Edsel Lagman, si Congressman si Gary Alejano. Gary Alejano somewhat participated in the House Committee inquiry, and narinig nyo naman siguro yung sinabi niya in one interview that he does not believe those testimonies and that he believes that I am innocent. And alam ko naman na si Congressman Gary Alejano, he has his own sources within and outside Bilibid. So, na-validate niya yan. Na-validate niya na kasinangaluy nga ng mga yan at na-validate niya na wala po akong kinalaman dyan sa drug trade na yan.